Hey, what's up, team? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology. I just fumbled over the intro for this like 3 times. It's pretty good. It's a good start to things. I just wanted to put a little video out there saying that I have the Discord channel for Geek Psychology and the one for I Now Feel Positive, the INFP focused 30-day challenge and life tips aspect of things. So I have those two up and running. I'm not exactly sure how they're going to go. We got a small little group in both of them, and you are welcome to join them. So I'm going to be sharing the INFP Discord on the INFP mailing list. If you haven't been there, please go to the website, sign up for that. It's free and you'll get that. And hopefully we can build a bigger community within there. INFPs helping each other out and whatnot. And then for the Geek Psychology one, I want to focus more on games and going into the different styles of players, of fantasy analogies and things like that, sci-fi and all that stuff, because I know there is a community out there that's really interested in that, which might be why you joined this channel. And I'm struggling with balancing providing information that's going to be helpful for a lot of people and also focusing on that nice niche. Right? That's okay. I mean, it's something that I just want to get out there. If you are interested in talking about some games and personality type, then please go there. I'm thinking about starting to share my game that I'm working on, my tabletop version of this whole thing. So if you're interested in that as well, you can go there, and I'll post it, I guess, in the chat somewhere in a little document on the side or something like that. All right. And I hope to connect with all of you in the near future. This is a goal that I have for 2019, is to just get more into the community and not have such distance. And I think that having a chat, a Discord channel, whatever it is going to be one approach to that. I mean, the comments, they come in, they're very nice. I read them all. I do respond to a lot of them, but there's still like a little wall in there, right? So I would like to kind of break that down a bit more and be a little bit more accessible. It is difficult with the time zones and the baby zones and family and all this other stuff, but it is something that I want to work on, all right? So I hope to see you there. And if not, I'll still be making videos. So keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.